In the development of technology for heavy-duty vehicles, robustness isn't just a promise, it must be mathematically proven. That is why our engineering team subjects the Globus Keypad to rigorous testing in our in-house laboratories. Life cycle testing, we exceeded 1 million actuations on a single key, setting new standards for physical durability. This rigorous inspection process helps us identify the exact points of wear and tear, accurately assessing the product's lifespan and durability. Designed with an IP67 protection rating and CAN bus and ISO bus communication, it is built to withstand conditions where failure is not an option. Each validation test is customized to meet the specific application and the rigorous requirements of each of our clients' projects. We validate each component to deliver safe, smart, and proven technology to the global market, using both internal testing and reports from certified laboratories.